carbon monoxide. He's gonna say at least.
Oh, yeah, you got spiders coming out the engine.
Where?
Right here. Look where the light at. See the spiders? And one of them just crawled in the engine, boy.
Oh, I just killed one right here.
He just crawled in the engine.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy E's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E. I just got home from work because I work a full-time job. Been working 6 days a week. We gotta jump on my baby mama's car. We gotta put this liquid moly engine flush in here. And flush out this motor because she doesn't like to do her routine maintenance on cars. Gotta add this to your motor oil before the oil change. And I'm getting a phone call. Then allow engine to idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn off engine and change oil and filter. Not suitable for motorcycles with wet clutch. So I'm gonna get this added. Let the car idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I get back with y'all because I got to get this car, start getting this top part taken apart. Because I seen the last video, we got a lot of parts to replace, but they ain't gonna all get done in this video when I work a full-time job. So let's have at it. All right, little cousin done stopped by. The car has idled for 10 minutes. I gotta drain the oil. He stopped by. He's gonna tackle replacing the turn signal switch that's busted, because I don't think he know how to do anything else, that is. So we're gonna let him do that. But he disturbing me. Cause like, I don't need nobody over here. I gotta hold their hands, you know what I'm saying? I got work to do. Just got home from work. He just got over here from work. We both work together. I'm his supervisor at work.
Supervisor now.
So So we're gonna let him tackle that. Hopefully he don't break nothing. While I'll tackle all this. Get as much of this done as I can before I gotta head in for the day. I hate that I work a full-time job. I can't wrench on cars every day. I don't have no shop. Everybody keep wanting me to work in their cars, but I can't. Little cousin came over here, he did want to do the brakes, but I told him nope. Not with those baby hands, because he's gonna keep on stopping me. Because you got the big. Now look at it. What you looking for now?
Baby screwdriver.
There ain't no screwdrivers in there.
These are 20.
Screwdrivers are. Look, tell you.
Yeah, there is over there. I ain't been over there.
Right there. They go to baby screwdriver. On the flathead. You don't want to be using that. Well,
you got plastic?
I'll use these.
Or you can give me that.
Yeah, you can take a hook, but I don't use my brand new.
No, not that hook. The one we be taking the clips out with. Ain't that a hook?
No, that be in here. Look. See, he's slowing me down already. Yep, it's being that drawer. See, he's slowing me down already. He don't know what tools he's gonna use. But like I said, I gotta get this oil drained. I let the car idle for 10 minutes with the engine flush. Then I gotta jump onto removing all of this. This ain't even screwed in. So so let's get to work. Yeah, before I get started, y'all hear that, y'all? He in there watching a YouTube video, y'all, how to do that. He watching the whole YouTube video. That's what I say. If you need to know something, go to YouTube, baby. That's what we here for. But I don't need no YouTube video to take apart a column. I didn't take apart so many cars. But I let him do his thing, and I catch y'all back. Like I said, interview. Okay. Got the intake manifold off. There's a lot of stuff you gotta take off. But those was 13 millimeter bolts that go in there. The rest of them was 10 millimeters. Everything that was connected to it. Little cousin keeps stopping me. I try to make a long video. But I said since he finally got done with the switch, it took him 45 minutes because he couldn't get the cover back on. But switch has been replaced. We don't know if it worked, but it should. Aftermarket. It would not clip in. He's like, oh, it won't go in. Nope, it's aftermarket. It won't lock in.
It won't be the best.
But at least it's gonna work better than the old one. Because the old one is shot. Don't know how they did that. So, like I said, he's gonna work on the brakes. Throw that on the ground. Got the intake off. I'm trying to get as much of this done before 4 o'clock. It is 3:29 on a Saturday. I still gotta get the serpentine belt off. Gotta get the water pump off. After I get all these valve covers off. And there's a lot of wiring on the valve cover you gotta pull off. Gotta get the coil packs off. So I'm gonna keep plugging away. All right, still plugging away. Just changed GoPro batteries. Just want to document little Cuzzo doing the brakes because he wanted to do the brakes. This side coming out a little bit easier. Sorry I ain't getting none of that footage because I'm up here working on top of the motor. What I wanted to get done. He's doing the extra stuff. So that's less videos for me to make for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I can't make a video y'all doing me doing the front brakes and the rear brakes because he's doing them right now. Well, he's doing the front ones, but not the rears because the rear of the car is not jacked up. That's another video. Then I got to double check his work because he's known for brake parts coming off while a person driving.
There was one person. That was my shit.
So I gotta watch out for that. This side over here, he wasn't able to finish the job because the caliper mount is the pin is froze in there. Only on one side because the boot seemed to be deteriorated. So here we go. This boot, the bottom half of these boots are missing. So water just getting down in there. Nothing I can do about it. I don't got another boot. But this one, got to let it soak. Try some heat cycles and try to get it out. But that one is in there, froze solid. And it's not summertime. So I can't go to my nearest pick and pull and get another caliper mount right now. But if it come down to it and it ain't that cold outside, it shouldn't take that long for me to rip one off another car. So I can sacrifice some time, and plus I got like $40 in credit at Pick and Pull for the rewards membership. But I'm just trying to get this done right here. While he do that, he's knocking it on out. Like he did the little the turn signal, got all that button back up. But over here, I took off the power steering reservoir and made a mess. So I gotta get all back here. Get this purge valve. Got to be unplugged and moved out the way. Gas line, fuel rail, fuel line is good. This coolant line is good. Really not in my way, but the wire is. I get that detached and moved over to the side. I get this covered back in electrical tape. I don't have no more. I don't have none of this.
Electrical tape.
Whatever this. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Whatever you put over these wires, I don't have any of that. Oh, little cousin said he got some to cover these. To cover these wires up. I might have to order some since I do work on cars, and usually I work on older cars where these do deteriorate. This ain't no bad neighborhood. So let the fun continue. Carbon monoxide. He gonna say at least.
Oh yeah, you got spiders coming out the engine.
Where?
Right here. Look where the light at. See the spiders? And one of them just crawled in the engine, boy.
Oh, I just killed one right here.
He just crawled in the engine.
I got it. It's right here. And when it popped out, usually they don't pop out.
Oh, Mr. Hit the block.
So I could never change my valve cover on the back of my motor. So I could never get this cover off on the Traverse.
I don't know. You only get somebody play.
I got it. That chain look good too. Engine look like shit.
So you're gonna spray it down with engine.
Look at that.
Good time cleaning that.
Oh, she got some milkshake.
Ain't no good.
Nope, but we're gonna put it back together. Yeah, she got a little milkshake.
At least when you redo it, it might generate.
No, it probably was condensation. We're gonna say it's condensation because the car didn't have.
It would have had it up here.
It would have been in the oil too.
And your oil was just straight black, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Where's my milkshake in there?
All right, man. Let me out.
But this motherfucker is nasty.
Definitely the spark plugs socket is definitely looking nasty.
Yeah, I got rust in it. But she's going. Let me see. She's leaking over here in this corner. All the oils. Yep. Yep. All this was leaking right here. Think of the spider. All this was leaking and it's going back there. That's why.
Yeah, you can see it burnt.
Yeah, that's why everything covered in oil.
Yeah, I can see that going that way, then feeding wherever.
Yep.
We ain't hitting that
Yep.
shit.
Then all this was wet. This was leaking too over here. That's why all this is wet. But yeah. He said, "Let me the fuck out of here." Well, you could let yourself out.
Clothes for the day. Got 2 things done, baby. Put all my tools and shit up there. Yeah, buddy. All right, dude.
Got my wife home from work. Catch you later. Oh. Yeah. So I'm about to call that a wrap for today. Little Cuzzo left. We got a lot done. He didn't get this side done, but he started. Valve covers are off. I got the water pump pulley off. Just gotta get in there and get that water pump off. Because I can pretty much see where she been leaking at. So let's just gotta get that water pump. It ain't been coming. I don't think it's been coming through the weep hole. I think the gasket is no good. So we're gonna put in a brand new gasket, fire the pump on her, get all good. And you seen from the video, excuse the profanity, because I didn't realize my GoPro wasn't in time lapse. It was just regular recording us, chilling, talking, smack. So sorry about the profanity, but the back of the motor does like shit, like bunch of just lack of oil back there. Everything back there pretty much dry and burnt on oil. But to do this job, you have to remove all that stuff. You got to remove the reservoir, power steering reservoir, purge valve is up there. Get your your coil packs unplugged. Get the wires, all your little sensor wires undid. All her little looms is missing everything. Well, I think it's straightforward. It's because of spiders coming out of the wood works. He put all the tools away and he didn't. Left the rubber mallet. When I go back and check after that, brand new rotors and pads on this side. Still got to do tune up, water pump, valve cover gaskets. Well, like I said, that's going to be it for today. You see little Cuzzo left on what slipped and fell. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Rebuilds and leave a comment in the comment section below. Go cop you some merch at teespring.com, not like this. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, people, stay tuned and stay blessed. Deuces!